Okay, here we are. The ground is ready. I just need to put my structure on top of it. So I'm going to create a new empty object here. I'm going to call this structure. Right, I'll reset its position. Right, and see that's where it is. And I'm just going to move this across to the right hand side of the screen here. Bring it down. Okay, so that's where my structure is going to be. Now I've got these prefabs that I created earlier. There's a lock and a log and a rock, not a lock and a rock. So I'll start by just adding in a log. So I'll just pop that onto the structure. Right, there it appears. I'm just going to use that to move it around a bit. Right, so I'll put that one there. Let's zoom in on that. Now I could drag another one on here, but I'm just going to duplicate the one I've got. So Control D to duplicate, and then I'll just move that across like that. A supporting structure, and I'll drag a rock on now. So onto the structure it goes, so it becomes part of the structure. And then lift that up on top. And perhaps I have another layer on top of that. So select that one, shift click on that one to get both of them, and then Control duplicate both. And there they go. And perhaps another rock on top. Control D, duplicate that there. That's a nice sort of toppling structure, I'd say. How about a bit of buttressing? I'm going to take that, duplicate it, and then just go outside and rotate it a bit. There we go. Going a bit off the screen there, so I'm going to just take the structure and move it onto the screen a bit more. There we go. That looks pretty good structure to knock down. Good.